Oh, it's gone. Don't laugh.
You're out.
Jeremy's blind.
Oh, what?
No.
Has James actually... It does look very good.
The BMW went first. And what's he listening to in there? He doesn't see like we see.
Really?
He doesn't see the fog, he just has numbers coming up in
Oh,
green.
like scrolling.
With 500 brake horsepower, the BMW, on paper at least, is the fastest car here.
Oh,
Oh, God, here he comes, here he
How
comes.
he's going to keep that on the road in
This
these
is
conditions?
quite a trick here.
Whoa!
The run time for the BMW was 1 minute 35.875.